Making friends in a new city can be challenging, even in a major metropolis like Paris. Despite being surrounded by millions of other people, urban life can be downright lonely sometimes. Outside of school or work, there are surprisingly few opportunities to meet new people. And yet, a new solution promises to save you valuable time making new friends in a big city. Come along and discover Timeleft, an app that brings strangers together over a good meal. Every Wednesday, Timeleft brings strangers across Paris to the same table, carefully pairing together participants based on a personality test. I decided to see how it worked for myself, and joined a dinner in the 6th arrondissement with 3 other lovely table mates. In the interest of full disclosure, Timeleft compensated me for the cost of my meal and my reservation ticket. My dinner took place at a typical Parisian restaurant called Le Marché in the 6th arrondissement. My tablemates were all from different nationalities, professions, and backgrounds, but we all had enough in common for the dinner conversation to flow naturally. 3 hours went by in a flash, as Timeleft's carefully crafted guest list made for an excellent evening. Timeleft is an excellent way to save time making friends in a new city. Instead of meeting many people one-on-one or wasting countless hours on apps and virtual conversations, Timeleft offers a rare opportunity to meet up to 5 people face-to-face at the same time. There's a good chance you will have something in common with every guest, but there's no pressure if you don't hit it off. Whether you walk away with a new friend or an entire entourage, Timeleft's unique approach uses technology to bring people together. First, sign up for Timeleft on their website, timeleft.com, and complete a 5-minute personality test, asking questions about your interests, background, and preferences, including dietary restrictions. After you complete the test, you can purchase a ticket to reserve your spot at the table, or purchase a monthly subscription. The ticket price is separate from the cost of your meal, which you pay for the same as any restaurant. After you buy your ticket, reserve your spot at Wednesday's dinner, before midnight on Monday. Timeleft provides details about the other group members the night before, such as profession, nationality, and even zodiac sign. Every Timeleft dinner is at a different location, so you learn the restaurant name and address the morning before the meal. Each dinner takes place at 8 p.m. on Wednesday night and lasts 2 to 3 hours. The cost of the meal itself typically ranges from 20 to 35 euros, depending on what you order, which is average for the city. Your table is easy to locate once you arrive at the restaurant, thanks to a prominently placed Timeleft placard. Just sit down, introduce yourself, and let the evening begin. After the meal, Timeleft will send you a questionnaire to evaluate the dinner. Timeleft presents an opportunity to share a meal with 5 strangers, who could become friends by the end of the meal. While each meal is unique, I was impressed with Timeleft's matchmaking skills, as I thoroughly enjoyed spending a few hours at the table with my dinner mates. If you have recently moved to Paris, live in Paris but want to expand your friend circle, or plan to spend an extended amount of time there, consider dinner with Timeleft to take the hassle out of making new friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more content on getting the most out of life in Paris.